You searched how to buy shares of Endesa. Here is a concise walkthrough. Endesa is a Spanish electric utility listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ELE.MC. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to be able to buy. Use the broker search bar and type the ticker ELE.MC to locate the listing. Make sure you select the matching Endesa entry to confirm it is the correct share. On the asset page, review the company information, sector details, and the price chart. Confirm the listing shows Endesa on CBOE EU with ticker ELE.MC before moving to buy. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending instruction. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can complete. After execution, your Endesa position will appear in your portfolio. A soft note, find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow this walkthrough.